Nestled deep within the lush mountains of Salalah, Oman, Ain Gade is a hidden natural treasure where flowing spring water, scenic hiking trails, and untouched wilderness come together in perfect harmony. Known for its peaceful atmosphere and refreshing climate, Ain Gade offers a breathtaking escape into the heart of Dharawr's green landscapes, especially during the magical Kharif season. The journey to Ain Gade itself is an unforgettable experience. As you leave Salalah city, smooth mountain roads wind through valleys and forested slopes. During the monsoon months, mist drapes the hills, waterfalls appear along rocky cliffs, and the air becomes cool and fragrant. Along the way, travelers are treated to panoramic views of green mountains, grazing fields, and distant valleys stretching toward the horizon. The hiking trails of Ain Gade lead through a vibrant natural environment filled with life. Tall trees provide shade, while wild grasses and seasonal flowers cover the ground. Fresh spring water flows gently through the area, forming small streams and pools that nourish the land. The sound of flowing water and rustling leaves creates a calm, almost meditative atmosphere. Ain Gade is home to a variety of wild animals and birds. You may spot grazing camels and cattle roaming freely, while colorful birds fly between trees or sing from hidden branches. During quieter moments, butterflies and dragonflies can be seen hovering near water sources, adding color and movement to the landscape. Bird lovers will enjoy watching local and migratory species that thrive in this cool, green habitat. At the heart of Ain Gade lies its beautiful waterfall and natural spring, where clear water flows down moss-covered rocks. During peak Kharif, the waterfall becomes more powerful, creating a refreshing mist that cools the surrounding area. Visitors often rest near the spring, enjoying the soothing sound of water and the natural beauty all around. Ain Gade is perfect for light hiking, nature walks, photography, and peaceful relaxation. The trails are suitable for beginners, but proper footwear is recommended as some paths may be slippery. Picnic spots along the way allow visitors to pause and enjoy the scenery, making it an ideal destination for families and nature lovers. Compass travel tips for Ain Gade. Best time to visit, June to September, Kharif season. Wear comfortable hiking shoes. Carry drinking water and light snacks. Avoid disturbing wildlife and respect nature. Visit early morning for soft light and fewer crowds. Ain Gade is more than a hiking destination, it's a place where nature speaks softly and time slows down. Whether you are seeking adventure, photography, or a peaceful retreat, Ain Gade hiking trails and waterfall offer a truly unforgettable experience in Salalah's green mountains.